Today I want to show you something different. We'll be using a different machine which usually at least levels on edges for wood. This kind of machine is special because it is able to levelize all edges such that when you attach pieces of wood, it becomes straight without leaving unnecessary gaps or big crevices. So you can see how the handler is using it. First of all, he adjusted it. Thereafter, he planes. It has to be clean cut such that when you attach the planks of wood together, you are able to achieve uniformity. So you can see what has happened to this piece of wood. We'll be attaching four types. So each plank is 7.5 inches in width, and the thickness is 3 inches. So to achieve this, you have to use this machine because it's the only way out. So you can see how he's doing it. He has to do this severally, such that once he attaches the 4 planks of wood, they all become straight. As you can see what he's doing, this is on the second piece of wood. This machine at least has helped us a lot so that we don't have challenges when we attach the wood together. Now you can see all spaces are even, just as it's showing there. Thereafter, once we mark on this wood, we shall have to use Fevicol glue, which is a very strong piece of glue that attaches large planks of wood. So first we mark on all the 4 pieces, because we'll be having a diameter of 30 inches. Then we hit with the claw hammer, such that when the glue gets into touch, it's able to hold these pieces of wood firmly. Thank you so much, and I kindly urge you guys, please like and share this content. We'll show you what happened in the next video. Thanks.